Mirror, mirror on the wall. Ano na naman ang ginawang kalukuhan ng mga tao ni BBM? Mirror, mirror, tell me please. Sa sugal, online gambling, kailangan ng itigil. Pero bakit ayaw ng siraulong ito? Pakinggan natin.
Has become an epidemic in this country. So many surveys and research have shown that majority of our people in the Philippines are already into online gambling. But I will cite just one. This is quite recent. 2023, Capstone Intel, the research firm, Capstone Intel, reported that with the rise of technology and the internet, more people are turning to online betting. And the results of a survey they conducted in 2023 shows that across the country, out of 1,200 respondents, 64%, two-thirds of our people are now into online gambling. And what is worse, very, very with concern, it also showed that 66% of these 64% are at the ages of 18 to 40. So what happens to the 21 threshold of age? No, 18 years old to 20, 66%. Therefore, this is an epidemic. And that is why we have to file this, to arrest this epidemic. So my first question to our dear chairman, Chairman Tenko, what to our dear chairman, Chairman Tenko, what do you say to the Department of Health Secretary Teodoro Herbosa, who said that addiction to online gambling as shown by 64% of the Filipino people is a mental health issue, and that an adverse effect of gambling is habit forming? We will know the answer.
Madam Chair, may I answer Congressman Rodriguez?
Yes, please proceed, Chairman Neto.
Congressman Rodriguez, definitely, first of all, in the study of Capstone, which I had also read, because as I was telling Congressman Valeriano earlier, so many studies now are going around regarding online gaming, primarily because online gambling, primarily because it is really all over the world. No, it is not only in the Philippines, and I think these studies will show that this online gambling craze has really been going around the world already. So yes, one, I would like to emphasize that in the report that you had mentioned, ages 18 to 40 are involved in online gaming. But I want to emphasize, Congressman Rodriguez, that those who are included in that report of ages 18 to 21 are not coming from the licensees of PAGCOR, because we are truly strict when it comes to the registration, and we make it a point as much as possible to register only those who are 21 years old and above. So, portion of that definitely hindi na po namin aming jurisdiction. Pero totoo po yun, alam niyo naman, in anything talaga, pag nasubukan mo at nagustuhan mo, nagkaroon ka ng pagkakataon na nanalo, nagkaroon ka ng pagkakataon, nakatikim ka na yung ganitong halagang itinaya mo'y tumama ng ganun, talagang there will be an addiction. Kaya po, kung meron pong ginagawa, Congressman Rodriguez, ang PAGCOR ngayon, ay yung higpitan ng mga regulasyon, bigyan ng pansin ang responsible gaming, sapagkat ang paniniwala po namin, pagpatuloy rin tayo nagpapaalala sa ating mga kababayan tungkol sa mga ills of gambling, then baka pag nasa sa tamang edad naman sila, they will realize that gambling can be addicting. In fact, Congressman Rodriguez, we have launched and changed the tagline of PAGCOR. Dati po, ang PAGCOR nakalagay game is...
Ngayon, napakasiraulong kalokohan na rason. Bakit ayaw mo ipatigil? Dahil gusto mong kumita. Pwede ba yun? I-legalize mo na rin ang shabu. I-legalize mo na rin ang prostitusyon. Kikita ka dyan. Ano ba? Napakababaw ng dahilan para sa pera. Marami nang namamatay. Marami nang nalulubog sa utang na mga Pilipino. Hindi ko kinukumpara, pero mas mabuti pa yata ang Pogo. Bakit? Kasi ang Pogo, walang Pilipinong gumagawa at nakakataya dito. Dito sa online gambling, Pilipino ang numero 1 tatamaan din nito. Ngayon, marami nang nagpro-propose. Gusto nila i-stop. Pero ang PAGCOR, ayaw. Bakit? Pera. Pera, pera, pera. Wala na ba kayo talagang konsensya? Minsan konsensya naman. Huwag naman puro pera. Pera na nga dyan sa may House of Representatives. Pera pa rin dito sa PAGCOR. At may pera din sa DPWH. Mga tanga, ihinto nyo na yung online gambling. Wala tayong mapupulot dyan. Please lang. Please lang. Huwag maging tanga. Huwag maging bobo. Ano ba ito? Mirror, mirror on the wall.